everybody, welcome back to Malia's studio, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a tour of my house in Bloxburg. And comment down below once I finish this video. After you fully watch this video, comment down below if you like my house or not. So we're going to start with the outside, and I just have some trash in a mailbox. And I got festive and I got myself a little wreath, if you can see it. And in the inside, I have my piano. I'm going to play Together because I like that song. It's really cool. Okay, enough of that. So I'm going to get a little bit of some gelatin. Jello, I think. Yeah, Jello. And moving on now to my room. I have a bunk bed, and as you saw in the beginning of my video, I was kind of in bed, so I'm going to make my bed real fast. And in case any of my friends ever come over to my house to sleep over, I have a bunk bed, and I also just like to occasionally sleep on the top bunk. And if you're wondering why I don't have a roof, it is because I am currently in the middle of redoing my house. I'm still in the middle of renovating it, but I just painted the walls today, and sorry that the floor is really glitchy. If you look at the floor while I move, it's really weird. But this is my living room / chill room. So let's change the channel and put on some Christmas movies. There we go. I have my living room, and then I have my little window, and then I have a sliding door because during once winter is over and once summer comes back, I'm gonna be renovating my house again just to have a pool. Every year I renovate my house to make it go with the season, and then I delete the pool every year. And then I have some pancakes. So then I have a fridge because whenever I do have parties, I like to have this as the eating room instead of the kitchen. And this used to be my dining room, but I changed it to be my piano room. And let's go back into my actual room and see if you noticed that I have a guitar. And yeah, I'm so excited. I got a guitar. It was only $550, so let's play that. Okay, so that is my house, but I have one extra room. I forgot to show you my bathroom. It's pretty simple. I didn't do anything to the bathroom, so I'm just gonna take a shower really quick, cause yeah, cause I'm a little stanky. Oh my god, I'm 5% hungry. I just had some food. What the heck? Eat. I'm gonna get some real food though. I'm gonna get me some pancakes. That sounds weird. Pancakes. That's weird. Okay. And if you're one of my friends, either on Roblox or in real life, shout out to you guys. You know who you are. And yeah. If you haven't noticed, I got my room all festive for the holidays. I got my lights, my hanging lights. And comment down below if you like this poster. I think it's super cute. I rarely change the picture, but I think that picture is really cute. And I don't always, like I said, I don't always change the picture. And yeah, I'm gonna take a shower because apparently my hygiene is horrible. Apparently, taking a shower gives me energy. If you look, it says effects plus energy plus hygiene source basic shower because I don't really do anything with the bathroom. It's just a basic bathroom. I might expand it. I don't know. I might. Why am I washing my hands right after I got out of the shower? What is wrong with me? I meant to click brush my teeth. But yeah. Hygiene is 100%. So that was my house tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. But we are going to continue this video into a work video. I'm just kidding. Comment down below what your favorite job is in I was about to say Royal High in Bloxburg because my favorite job personally, I really like being a whatchamacallit? What's it called again? I forgot. I like being I don't know where it is. I like being a janitor. As you can see, I'm at level 9, and it's so easy, and they pay you so much. So if you're kind of in need of a little money, I'm not because I have over $3,000. I used to have 18,000, but I blew it on a pool, forgetting. I blew it on a pool, the deepest pool you can get, the one that's $800. Yeah, and I forgot that it was winter. So I had to delete it, but I didn't get that much money back because they pay you less than how much they give you less when you sell it. They give you less than what it was actually worth when you first got it. So yeah, that's weird. Let's put on the news. That's boring and really annoying. Yay, I'm happy. Okay. Owie. And do not, just a little heads up, don't forget to always don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the cute little bell next to it. And don't forget to check out my blog, and I'll leave the link to my blog in the description down below. And watch out for my new video. It's going to be a Christmas themed video. It's going to be kind of a haul of basically all that I got for Christmas. I'm going to be showing everything that I got and describing it and telling you what it is and stuff like that. And I think you're going to like it. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned for that video. And also, I know I'm saying this a lot, but A, comment down below what your favorite job is in Bloxburg, and B, comment down below, how do I say this? Comment down below, I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say it, I'm thinking it, comment down below. Oh, now I remember. I'm so stupid. I was like, how was I gonna say this? But comment down below some games that you really like on Roblox and think that are fun, and they have to be family friendly, because there's a game that I really like that's called Murder Mystery, but I can't play. I'm not gonna play that on my channel because of the fact that it is about murdering people and it's not kid friendly. So I don't play that game on my channel. So don't forget to check out my blog, and to comment down below your favorite job in Bloxburg, to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell next to it, and then make it go ding. So, bye! I'll see you in my next video.